will of Kenyans and what they wanted.
No. I'm actually asking, why were we doing public participation over the weekend? Why were we wasting a lot of money and time going to the counties and going to the constituencies to do public participation? The Speaker did not consider any of those reports. I didn't hear them. I thought he would come with a schedule of all the 290 constituencies. He would tell us who voted no or yes, who wanted Gachagua to go home from Gedongoli, from Anabaholo, from Mombasa, from Lamu, but that did not happen. So I think Parliament has taken Kenyans for granted. Parliament has captured this country, and they are doing what the political class want to do, not what Kenyans want to do. And I think tomorrow, Kenyans, mukiitwa kwenda public participation, musipoteza wakati wenyu. We saw the same during finance bill. We did public participation, nothing was considered. Now we have done an impeachment, nothing was considered. Kenyans, mukiitwa public participation, kaeni nyumbani mukule waru na mukule cabbages, muache hii maneno ya kupoteza wakati na pesa ya Kenya. Asante.
I also privy to information that, well, that is Honorable Gathoni Wamuchomba, who is the Gathoni